Hi, I'm Julie Brooks, owner of Peaceful Place Home Organizers. One thing that people often don't think about when they think of home organization is paperwork, but that is one of the #1 things that people need help with. The reason being that there are thousands of individual decisions to be made, but what we can do is facilitate that so that the process really is only going to take about 6 hours with a couple of organizers, and your paperwork can end up with neat files and a whole system that we implement for clients to help them stay on top of their paperwork. So part of the process involves me just asking you questions. How do you get your bills? What's your process for bringing in the mail? What are the actual problems that you're having with paperwork? Do you have files set up anywhere? And honestly, our system that we leave people with is so easy. You're going to end up with just a few files. You're going to end up with an action tray on your desk, and that's basically it. We will figure out where to store your tax returns and other things that you need to keep so that they're away from your active files. And at the end of the process, you are not going to have papers all over surfaces, and you will have a system that you can maintain yourself. So please consider getting some professional help with your paperwork if you're drowning in paper.